So first we need a folder. So here I've already created a folder, so you just go ahead and create a folder, give it whatever name that you want. Delete. So here I'm already having a folder, and then open our editor, and then next you go ahead, create a file, new, just create a file, give it whatever name that you want, and let us call this file my web, sorry, my web dot html. So you must put the dot html because we are working with an HTML document. If it is a CSS, we need to put dot css, but for now we are working first with HTML. So you just go ahead and press enter, go to our folder. This is a folder I created, and then open, create it inside. Now you are going to begin with the HTML5 declaration. It's already there. Click it. Next, HTML document. It comes with open and close, so we'll bring it down. Don't worry about the space. Okay, I'm just making it like that so that you can actually see it clearly. Next one is head, open and close. The next one is body. Don't worry about the gaps. Open and close. Okay, so this is actually what we need. HTML, open and close. Everything about your website must be inside this. Anything outside will not work. So make sure everything is inside. And then head. Oh, let us go on. Save. Let's just open our website and see. This is it, my web. Open with Google Chrome. Okay, let me go ahead and delete this one. Okay, so you can see there is nothing inside because we haven't put anything inside. We have just created the foundation. And then next, let us go. If you look at our website, you can see that the title is still the name of our file, so there is no title here. So we go ahead inside the head and create a title, the title of our website. Title automatically opens and closes. let's call it my web my website. Okay, Control S, save, go refresh. Okay, so now you can see the title of our website, my website which we just created. This is the title, my website. And then let us go and make some declarations. Inside the HTML tag, we specify the language we are going to be using. Language equals to English. So our website will be in English. Remember, this will not change anything here. Control S, so it won't change anything. So we are just mainly specifying the language, HTML language, or if you want it in Thai, THAI in Thai, or you want it in French. Okay, so this is actually to tell the browser that this website or this document is in English, because if you have to translate to other languages, you must translate from one language to another. So here we are mainly specifying that our website is in English. So the browser will be translating now from English. Okay, so if you don't put this one, the browser will find it difficult to translate your website, or that means it doesn't know which language the website was built. Okay, so Control S, come back here in our header. So we need to specify the character, the text character we are going to be using, because not all web browser display every character. So we need to specify the character we are going to be using in our website. Okay, so we go meta. So meta is just a website. Metadata is just a website or web data or web information. Meta, so we have meta. So that's the tag. Inside we put an attribute, child set equal to open, right? Open and close quote, double or single. If you're using single, just use single. If you're using double, just use double. So the character here is universal text font 8, and then go ahead, close it, come back again, next. So we want to define how our website will appear on the server, how the server is going to read the text. Next, meta HTTP. Remember, when you are always browsing, you always look for HTTP equal to X, not icon, X dash U compatible. And then we have content equal to IE, equal to H. Then now go ahead, close it. The next one again, meta name equal to viewport content of your website should be equal to the width or device width, the width equal to device width and initial scale should be set to 1.0. Now this enable your website to be read by other devices, maybe laptop, phone, or desktop. You know, different devices come with different screen sizes, so we need to make sure that the content of our website fit inside the page, or sorry, fit on the screen, right? Fit on the screen of any device which it is being viewed. So here you can see that these two, they are red. If you see this red, know that there is something wrong, and because we have not closed this one, so we have closed it now. So these are the basic head information, and sometimes if I just, let's see, I just cut all of this and it is empty. If I just want to bring it back, Shift 1 enter. Okay, so you see this is a character, or this is the head of the website I just built. My web, okay, my web. So go ahead, save it. So let us check. Yeah, my website. Yeah, my website. Okay, my website. Go ahead, save it. Refresh. Okay, my website. Now if you if you look at this other website, you can see that there is a favicon here, there is an icon here, there is a logo here, the website logo. Look at this one, there is a website logo. This is our Praxis Code Academy. Here, this is a logo. And for this one, we also have the logo. For Wikipedia, we have the logo, but for our website, we don't have a logo. So let us go ahead and put a logo. So we are going with a link tag, link relation equal to icon, right? Relation goes with what you want to put. It is an icon, right? So what type of icon? Type of icon, image. Now what image? Like, is it JPG or ICO? So here I have ICO. So I just go ahead, X dot icon, and then we go to hyperlink reference. Now hyperlink reference actually takes you to where the icon or where the image you want to insert here is found on your computer. And make sure make sure you have the image inside your folder. So this is the image here, so you just have to just go ahead, and copy the name of the image. Alright, copy the name of the icon, copy and paste, and then see this is red because we haven't closed it. Now this is a link, we have to close it in a different way, different from the meta tag. So the link tag, we close it, it's a safe closing tag, close it with a stroke like this, and then go ahead, save, go to our browser now, refresh, so you can see the icon is here. But one thing we need to note here is that you need to resize your icon before you actually put it here. Don't just carry any size, and there's a specific size which is 16 by 16. Right, 16 by 16. If you have an icon and you want to put on your website, so this is what you have to do. You need to resize it. Just go to ICO converter, click enter, open it online. So take the size 16 pixel, okay, so be 16 pixel and 32 byte. So you go ahead, offload it, offload your image wherever it is on your computer. So this is the ones that I have already converted, so you see they are smaller. Let's take this one that is bigger. Take this one, open, convert. So when you convert it, it automatically download. Okay, so I've downloaded it several times, so that is why you're seeing 3 here. And then make sure it is inside. Okay, make sure it is inside your folder before you can actually put it in. Yeah, now if you look at these tags, right, look at these, they have different colors. Now the blue color is actually telling you that these are HTML tags. Okay, meta is an HTML tag, meta title is an HTML tag, link is an HTML tag, head is an HTML tag. Now these ones are attribute. Okay, these ones are attribute. Look at this one, tag, attribute, and value. The orange color is for value. This is attribute, value, tag, attribute, value, and all of them, they are called HTML elements. So everything inside, okay, everything inside the tag is called an element. So the blue column, so the code editor actually defines the color of tag, attributes, and value. Okay, so this is just the header section, so let us make it look neat. I would just like to push it to the right like this, but it has nothing to do, just to make it visible and look neat. Okay, make sure you always keep your work neat. I like to allow it like this, so if I give it to someone and if someone wants to read, you automatically see that everything here is just the head. Okay, and inside the body, now you want to define what will be inside the website, because actually you see there's nothing here. This is the body of our website. Everything was just about the head. Now you come for the body. Let's start with the first one, which is head, H1. Sorry, open H1, open and close. So for the head, we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 up to H6. So you can write it several times, so it doesn't matter. H1 is bigger than H2. It's just like you are writing a paragraph or you are writing an essay. You start with the title of your essay, maybe you call it H1, that's the head, and then you have subtitles. So let us call this one Introduction. Okay, Control S to save. Introduction. Go to our website, refresh. Okay, so you can see the introduction here. Now you can see the color is black, the size remains the same. To actually decorate this one, now we need CSS. Okay, you actually need CSS. So let's just try this. If you go to File, you want to create a new file. Let's call it name. Call it whatever name you want. Let's just call it name. .css. Press enter. Remember, save it inside our folder. Okay, inside the folder we created. Save. CSS is a course for another day. Okay, CSS is a course for another day. So we want to give a decoration to this one. So this is H1 name. So we come H1, right, gap, open. Now we give it H1. We want to give it a background. I'm just doing this background color red. Background color red. Now save. Okay, save. We have given our H1 background color red. Save. And then when you refresh, you see nothing will happen. Okay, so nothing will happen.